Okay, I got everything here. I'm going to drive to the beach. See you there, guys. Okay, I arrived at the beach. I'm just gonna park my car here. Here we go. And go find a good spot. Oh, everyone seems to be safe. So I'm just gonna sit down and enjoy myself. What a beautiful sunny day. I'm catching vitamin D. Okay, I found this good spot, but first I'm just gonna apply some sunscreen on and I'm gonna chill here for a while, then I go for a swim. I love summer. Okay, now I'm going for a swim. Cool water, I love summer and everything. Okay. Wow. Wow, look at this cool jet ski. I want to go for a ride. Wow, that's so cool. Woohoo! Ice cream! Wow, ice cream. Let's go have some. Hello, ma'am. How may I help you? Hi, can I have that lemon popsicle, please? Of course, let me get it for you. Thank you so much. How much is it? $1, please. Here you go. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. This popsicle is so yummy. It tastes exactly like a lemon. Oh, it's getting late. I better go have my dinner and go home. Wow, these look so yummy. What should I get? A burger or a hot dog? Maybe hot dog today. It looks so yummy. Okay, and let me get a cola for drinks. Okay, now let's go to the table and eat. That hot dog is so yummy. That cola is so yummy. Okay, guys, I'm going to drive home. See you there, guys. Okay, let's go home. Yes, now good driving. I'm trying to learn driving. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, let's go here. Drive all the way down. Oh, it's red light. Just wait here until it's green. Okay. Wow, look, there's so many stars here. Wow, what a beautiful view. Okay, it's green now. Let's go. Okay, now we're home. Let's put the car in the garage. Put it right here and then go open it. Yes, now it's opening. Let's drive the car into the garage. Yeah. Okay. Now let's put it here. Yeah, good parking. Okay, good. Now let's close the garage door. Let's go home. Had a great time today. Now I'm gonna get ready for bed. Okay, I'm going to my room. Okay, here's my room. All waiting for me. Now I'm gonna go have a quick shower, brush my teeth, and go to sleep. Wow, that's cool. Okay, now I'm done. Going to bed, wear my PJ and everything. Okay. Okay, now I'm ready for bed. Okay, now I had a great time today. Going to sleep. Good night, lemons.